Hello and welcome to all students. In this lecture, we learn about inner product spaces. Today we are going to define some terms. So orthogonal vectors, first is orthogonal vectors. Okay. In an inner product space V, two vectors are said to be orthogonal if their inner product is 0. If their inner product is 0, so means if u and v are vectors in the inner product space V, then if the inner product of vector u and v are said to be orthogonal if their inner product is equal to 0. And now let us go to the next, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. In an inner product space V, for any two vectors u and v, in V, mod of inner product of uv is always less than or equal to norm of u into norm of v. So this inequality is called as Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Let us go to the next theorem. Theorem on norm of a vector. If V is an inner product space, then the norm of vector u is equal to inner product of u with u raised to the power 1/2, and it satisfies the following properties. So first property is norm of any vector is always greater or equal 0. Norm means length of a vector, and length is always greater or equal 0. Second property is norm of u is equal to 0 if and only if u is 0 vector. Third property is norm of k times u is equal to mod of k into norm of k times u is equal to mod of k into norm of u. Norm of u plus v is less than or equal to norm of u plus norm of v, and it is called as triangle inequality. It is called as triangle inequality. So norm of u plus v always less than or equal to norm of u plus norm of v. It is called as triangle inequality. Next theorem is a theorem on distance between two vectors. If V is an inner product space, then the distance of V from U satisfies the following properties. So first property is distance is always greater or equal 0. Distance between U and V is always greater or equal 0. Second property is distance between u and v is 0 if and only if vector u and vector v they are same vectors. Third property is distance between u and v is equal to distance between v and u. It is called as symmetric property. And third is distance between u and v is less than or equal to distance between u v and w plus distance between w and v. W is any other vector. Okay, so it is also called as a triangle inequality. And next we are going to define or state the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let V be an inner product space and let u and v be any two vectors in a vector space V or inner product space V, then the norm of vector u plus v square is equal to norm of u square plus norm of v square. It is called as Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and all of you know this Pythagoras theorem from 10th standard. Okay, So let us go to the next definition of unit vector. A vector v is called as a unit vector if its norm is equal to 1, or in other word we can say that vector v is called as unit vector if length of that vector is equal to 1. Okay, if v is any non-zero vector, then v upon norm of v is a unit vector. Okay, so based on this, let us find the unit vector for the given vector. Okay, so let us take one example. So let us take one example. Consider a vector u is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we find the unit vector corresponding to this vector, or we find the unit vector along this vector. Okay, so that vector is, so to find unit vector u cap, so u cap is nothing but vector u divided by norm of vector u. Okay, but here we find norm of vector u. So norm is nothing but it is square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, and it is equal to square root of 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and it is equal to square root of 14. Okay, so therefore unit vector u cap is equal to vector u divided by norm of u. Vector u is 1, 2, 3, and norm of this vector is square root of 14. So finally unit vector u cap you can write like this: 1 upon square root 14 comma 2 upon square root 14 comma 3 upon square root 14. So this is the unit vector. So for any given vector we can find unit vector along that vector. Okay, so in this way, so let us stop our lecture here. So this is the end of our lecture, and thank you. Okay.